Hey guys, it's Lindsay from the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I want to show you how to install a rain chain without a gutter. Okay, so you see the metal edge? That's where, so the water comes off the roof, comes over the metal edge, and then drops down to my porch. You can see where the wood is already rotting from where the rain hits it. So I need to go ahead and get the rain chain up, and I thought about this, how to attach the rain chain to this area. Like I showed you, here is my solution. This is galvanized plumbing material. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this to attach underneath, okay? And then you see the ledge, the rain will fall into there from the ledge, and then I will attach the rain chain somehow to the bottom of this. I am going to go ahead and spray paint this, but the key before spray painting this is cleaning it with white vinegar. You really need to get just all the debris, all of the deposits off of it before you paint it. And I'm going to spray paint it with something that will bond to metal. But you really want to make sure it's clean good, and they suggest using white vinegar to do that. All right guys, so I have installed it. Now what I did was I took like a bottle of water and I ran it off of that ledge just to see where it would drop. And then I installed this based on where the water dropped. And the water, it does a pretty good job of going down that hole and down through the rain chain. Take a look at my rain chain. I do want to show you real quick how I attached it. You can see, you can squeeze this and make it tighter, and it's not going anywhere. It's squeezed pretty tight around that. You can raise it up and get it back over, but it's not going to fall out. So all in all, I think this works pretty well. I haven't tightened it yet, so you know, I can move it around based on where the water is falling, just to make sure it, you know, it's catching the water well and flowing pretty good. Of course, if you have a different attachment to the gutter, it's going to look different than that. And so far it works pretty good, so I am pleased. I hope I've given you a quick solution to install a rain chain without gutters. Thanks for watching this, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you again soon.